Squishy, and I did not upload because it was too long. But yeah, now I'm going to show you the paper squishy that I made. It's adorable. It's just a little jelly toast. It looks like this. I will do a video on how to do like the packaging in the back. And then so I do this, and I can just get in there, and I have my paper squishy. It may not be like the most slow rising, but it is like adorable for good for decoration. You see what I mean? I will try to do a video of like how to make a fall one. If I learn how to make a fall one. But yeah. That was pretty hard. We just did crayon, tape, and the excess paper up here, and you fold it. And there you go. That was it with the video. I hope you all enjoyed. Please like, share, and subscribe. And in the middle of the day, and right in the corner, make today brighter. See you guys in the next video. Bye!